Yo, what up, family? It's your man's on the ones and twos. Let me turn this down. So, let's get right into a little convo tonight, man. I don't really know what to talk about, but we're gonna cook up some shit. Right? So, let me tell y'all, man, yesterday I was drinking a little bit and shit. This nigga across the street in his condo was talking shit. He's like, oh, it's too fucking late for you to be throwing out fireworks, like it's 1 in the morning. In my head, I'm just like, bro, it is literally 4th of July. You're acting like a prick. And mind you, he's like the same age as me, right? So I was like, bro, at first I didn't say anything. And after that, I was like, bro, shut the fuck up. I was like, if you don't like, yo, I forgot what I said. I was like, just bring your ass downstairs if you're gonna do something about it. But he didn't end up coming downstairs. But sorry, guys, I don't mean to be sounding toxic all the time, but that's a real life story. But yeah, and then after that, I finished up. It's crazy because as soon as I got finished cleaning up my firework mess and I got in the truck, as soon as I got in the truck, the police is pulling up. And like, I literally just missed the police. Bro, literally. Like, I'm talking about, if I didn't get in the truck when I got in the truck, I would have been fucked. But thank God I got in the truck when I got in the truck. So we ended up not getting no citation or nothing. And I mean, on me, you know, it was late as fuck, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I hesitated at first, but I was like, you know what? Fuck that. I said I was gonna do it. I bought these fireworks, so I did it. And that's exactly what I did. I went, celebrated, had some fucking fireworks, a bottle, and had some music playing at the same time. So, all in all, very good night last night. Also, we got into a trade yesterday too, where, man, 4 Hour was showing a beautiful head and shoulders / double top on a smaller time frame. In sync, time frames are in sync. The only, obviously, you know, bigger time frame, it's a counter trend move on a daily. But looking at it, I do believe we are gonna have some good moves come Sunday and Monday to the downside, potentially for the daily time frame. Probably like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So I think this trade that I'm in should be done on Monday. We've got not even a full lot. I have all the data written down. I'll have to look at it real quick. Let me see real quick. I'm gonna try to remember it. And this is why I really started getting deep into the data, because I started noticing, like, I cannot remember none of this shit just off my head. So, but let me see what I got here. Hold on, I'm about to tell y'all right now how many lots it is that I'm doing. So I got a total of, hold on, guys. I got a total lot size of 0.5. So 0.5 lot right now running. We did go into a little bit of drawdown yesterday. Let me pull it up for y'all. And I'm tracking how much drawdown I go into. Now I also have the data for how long I was in that drawdown, all that type of shit. But let my shit load up real quick. So I went into, did I go to sleep right here? Yeah, I was asleep this morning at about 10 a.m. We went into about a little bit under 50% of my positions drawdown. But we only wicked up. So we've been rejecting this certain area here based off of what the 1 hour showed me. But this is the 4 hours pullback area to the head and shoulder. So I got in on my candle. Right? Got in on my candle. I had gotten in a little earlier because I seen the potentiality of the trade continuing from it. And then it didn't, and it continued to pull back. but it's whatever. I think there was some news that came out too that made the market move up. I think, let me see how much it moved up from 6.6. So damn near like 300 pips yesterday, or today, this morning. But it still stayed in the same range. So my outlook for this is, like I said, it's a head and shoulders pattern / like double top pattern, rejecting off my counter trend channel, and it's headed. It looked like it's just wanting to head towards the downside, right? My daily time frame. The only thing I'm worried about the daily time frame, it could end up being bullish, and we end up having a double top. That's my only worry. So we're gonna see what the market wants to do. Tomorrow I'm gonna be doing my full breakdown as well. And like I said, guys, too, soon I am going to be, dropping my my weekly breakdowns for what I believe the market will do, and then eventually trying to match one trade with that week to upload. As of right now, not yet. Like I said, probably more towards the winter time when I get my first truck. But at this moment, not really. So, but we're consolidating like crazy in this area. Like I said, I do see a potentiality of it wanting to do that for the daily time frame, but we're gonna see what happens, man, because we've been super bullish, which is perfectly fine. But we are at the neck of like this double top on the monthly, and we are at the high of the double bottom on the monthly / the weekly as well. So I know that, we do have a lot of room for a pullback now. No matter how, like, we have a lot of room. Can the next candle wick up this week? Yes. Do I see that happening? Hell yeah. But do I see it happening right away? Potentially. Because like I said, this fucking daily time frame is right at this area, and it can potentially create a double top. Now, even if we do take an L, it's only like $150. But if the market does potentially give us this double top, right, I will try to take an early entry on one early entry, maybe like a 0.1 for a sell. And then when the market breaks the daily higher low, then that's where I'll look to take more entries. Because I want to see what it, I'm trying and get right. You know what I'm saying? So we did risk right. We followed our plan. I'm like but I mean, you guys are a part of the team. So, but yeah. So that's what's going on right now. Just all in all, like I said, it's a good ass trade. It can go south, just due to the fact that the higher time frames acting like a hoe. But there's a big possibility that we end up still hitting take profit. I am going to be taking partials on this just because of that bigger time frame, probably around a 1 to 1.5. But my shit does say a 1 to 1.7, so I need to get more into more back testing so that I can feel more confident with my trading. That's definitely something that I want to be doing, is back testing a lot more, which is actually about to be coming soon. I'm gonna really be doing that a lot more. Now, the market closed at 7692. Hold on. 7692. So the market closed at 7692, and on all of my positions I would be in profit, but for some reason they closed the market. So for some reason the market did not update my shit. I'm gonna screenshot this right now too. But the market did not update my shit, and saying I'm at $40 loss or negative right now, but low key I should be up right now, like at least, like, I don't know, maybe like $20 right now. So I don't know what's up with Trade Locker for the moment, but what I am going to do is probably message them either today, or if it doesn't change on Monday or Sunday, then I'll hit them up on Sunday and let them know what's going on. But all in all, family, the market looks really good for my bias. I'm not gonna lie to you. It looks very good. I know that we've been like hovering over here at this 750 quarter level, and it's like it's just showing me like, all right, it's a confirmed major whole number from the previous whole number, and all I see is us going back towards the high side. I meant high side. See, going towards the downside, towards like the 250 level, which is my exit. So, but I may or may not take partials because I have to adapt, right? I need to adapt in the market, right? I don't want to handicap myself, but I'm not gonna be like, okay, well, the market is not, providing me with my 1.17. I'm just gonna take the loss. Yes, I should do that to create those habits. But in a case like this, right, where the market, wants to do something else with the daily time frame and with the weekly time frame, I got to be a little careful, right? So I already acknowledged that this was a mid trade, right? And I'll even pull that up for you guys right now too. Hold on. So in my trade notes, I acknowledge that this trade was a mid-quality trade, right? And it was due to the daily time frame potentially having a double top. Now, this head and shoulders pattern / double top on the 4 hour, 1 hour, and on the weekly time frame, all those right there, besides just the daily, it gives signals of bearish movement to the downside. And I'm talking about right at my motherfucking area of interest. So that's where I'm at. Feel me? So I'm just waiting for the market to either bless it or don't bless it. That's it. And we're gonna see, like I said, we're gonna see what the market wants to do. If the market wants a blessing man's with the fire, then we lit. But if not, fuck it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, feel me? That's about it though for today, man. I really don't got nothing going on other than that. Y'all know that. And we just get into the money, man, every day. Every day, gang. Dang-a-lang. It's just potty train. Let me see where we at right now. Yep, 1 minute. But yeah, gang, everything good. Everything good. Everything good. That's it, man. I was talking to Shawty. She hasn't texted me all day, bro. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened today. She ain't called me all day. But you know what? It is what it is. I don't mind. I don't really care, to tell you the truth. I should really care, but I don't. I don't know why. But I know when I don't have it, I'll be caring, so. It is what it is, though. But we're gonna see. I don't know if me and her really gonna kick it off. I hope we do. But at the same time, I don't care either. Because I know that, she got niggas, you know what I'm saying? So, like, it makes me feel good. Because I don't gotta do shit. And I could just be chilling. So, yeah, your man's feeling good. That's about it. Tonight I got the candle on. I have a bottle, but I don't think I'm about to drink. It's already 3 a.m. I got mad shit I gotta do, and I fuck around, gotta wake up early in the morning. Probably not gonna drink tonight. But what I'm about to do is probably eat some food, throw something on while I fucking eat, and finish up the rest of my night by like 5 a.m. And then I'm gonna go to sleep. But other than that, family, you already know what to do. Peace to the earth, peace to the universe, peace to the gods, and peace to God. I know I fuck with y'all the long way. I'm gonna holler at y'all, family. Till the next time, gang. Peace.